It's now 5:42, February 23, and you can see here lots of floats ready to parade at 8 o'clock. And El Tribu de Lucban is the lead band because we were the champion in the street dance competition yesterday. Small floats. There's Tahalia, Belrina, Tahalia, and Sofia there, and pretty girl. There. El Tribu de Lucban is right there at the foot of SM City. Wow. Dali yan. Next. It's the ISM Sky Ranch. Come on, anak. Go, 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 go. Proceed, proceed there. MBI Cordillera. I'm following you, anak. Okay, guys, we are here at the foot of SM. SM. El Tribu de Lucban. Drum and Lyre is the lead band because we were the champion in yesterday's street dance competition. Ay, andito tayo sa harap ng Sky Ranch.
Hindi sa atin yung naharap na Sky Ranch.
Sana sinabing Sky Ranch. There's SM Sky Ranch there, and El Tribu de Lucban are here. We are the lead band because we were the champion in yesterday's street dance parade contest. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, El Tribu de Lucban are here now. We are setting up all the kids and their equipments. Hi guys, are you ready to rock? Yes. There's Sky Ranch. And we can hear some noise here now.